What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video today. Today we're going to be just cleaning up some parts that we got from the pull apart yesterday, and here they are. So we got a little grill insert set for the bumper for a Jetta, got one for a GTI or Golf, then we got an extra middle section. We got a set of headrests and a couple of pieces of trim we already put in. They are actually these pieces right here out of my car. So these are like super like sticky and gross. And this one I tried to wrap, but it came out like shit. So the fuse box covers all have been replaced on the shit box. So they look a lot better. They're nice and black, clean, no scratches or scrapes or anything. I just find them like sitting inside of a floorboard of a car. We also got a few more parts for some lay flat vents. Currently I don't have any actual full sets in stock, so I need to fix some of them, but we did get another good bezel and some good rear sections. This thing is pretty cool. I've never seen a dual cup holder console in a car. I do like the regular cup holder console that I have in mind now, but I feel like this would honestly be almost worth switching it out for, because the back one has a cup holder as well, but I don't know. We're just gonna have to kind of see what that looks like, but that's one big complete set. The only thing broken is the little mount points right there. These headrests, I think we're gonna be doing something different in the Golf as well, because this is a full set of Passat headrests, right? I have a full set of GTI headrests. I mean, they're all the same. The leather on these is all good. Now, I'm thinking I'm gonna do 2 of these mediums in the front, on the front seats, and then 3 of these shorties in the back. So I need 1 more of these, and I have plenty of those, so we can make another set. I'll probably just take those 2 mediums that are in the car and put them in the front, and then those 2 headrests will be part of this set. We can have 4, I mean, whatever. We can have like 4 driver's side and 1 medium, and then this one will go in the back until I find another one of these. Coolest find of the day yesterday were these side markers for the front bumper. I do have all the lights and stuff. Well, I think some of them might be broken off, cut off. Hey, babies. And cute little girl right there. Look at her. She's already in the garage helping me out. She's kind of stuck, though, on that little line on the ground. But yeah, so I've been looking for these for a long time, because AutoZone has them aftermarket as well, but these are OEM, and they're like $4 on AutoZone as well, but it sucks because they're never in stock because people probably need them. So I found a set of those, no cracks, just one little scuff right here. And I also found some clear side marker lenses, which, I mean, people probably look for quite a bit. I don't know what brand. I think they might be just stock ones, but those came off a Jetta, so we're gonna try to sell a bunch of this stuff. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put these grills in my bumper or not, but today we're just gonna work on cleaning everything up and getting it posted for sale, and obviously installing some stuff that we need to install in the car to switch some stuff around. So, all right, well, other than that, we went on a a graduation cruise yesterday, and that was pretty fun. We took the shit box, making some stuff rattle with the subwoofers, just loud. It was fun. So I'm gonna put a few clips of that in there, into the video as well at the end. Yeah, you get stuck. Alright, so we got this headrest set pretty cleaned up. The only one that's got some damage is this one right here around the back. But it's not bad, it's not ripped yet. I did throw one away, a center one. Which now, in the back of the Passat, this is not the center. I'll show you guys that in just a second, because this is the outside one like here and here, and then you have a shorter one in the center. Now I figured it'd be a good idea to put 3 of them in the back of the GTI, the real short ones, and 2 of these in the front on the back of the driver and passenger seat. So I'm gonna try to sell this as one set. It does have 4 adjustable headrests, 2 that tilt and 2 that do not. So these would be the back, that'd be the middle and the back, and then these would be the fronts. We're gonna try not to let the baby escape me, and we're gonna go out here and I'm gonna show you guys real quick. You might have already seen on the Facebook, but I did lock the car, damn it. So here we go. Hopefully you guys can see that. We put these ones in the front. Color's a little off because these seats are old and faded. And then we put these short ones in the back. So, man, you can really not even see it. But yeah, there. I'll open the hatch and see. So, yeah, here we go. And then you have these like real short ones in the back. So they don't really latch in, but I mean, you're not really gonna be moving them up and down. They just look a lot better, a lot sleeker. And then the fronts obviously got the medium height. I think that's gonna be a lot better than the other ones. So you can actually see a lot better out the back window, even with the medium height ones in the back. But I think that's gonna be really cool. They only come in Passat cars though. Doesn't really matter what trim, as long as you're leather. I can use them, but yeah, so I don't know. We're gonna have to look for one more center one or something like that. And the Beetles, I think, have some cool like holes in them, like super like Euro looking. So I don't know if those had rest sets or stuff that people want too, but I'm gonna start looking for those. I really only find black ones. I don't find a lot of like gray leather Passats that are even worth taking. But we're gonna continue to clean up some parts today, like these grill sets. We might even break out the, we're gonna have to break out the hose and maybe the pressure washer, maybe a brush or something, and then we're gonna let them all dry. We're gonna paint them so they look nice, and we're gonna throw them up for sale and see what we get. But yeah, that's about as far as we've gotten so far. We got the baby out here just running around. What are you doing, babies? Look at you, little cutie. What are you doing? She keeps trying to roll down the driveway. Dang roller coaster. So here she comes. Where you going? You gonna crash? You're gonna crash? No, she might make it up. Nope. Didn't quite make it. Alright, so we just used a 5-gallon bucket. The fire hose, chemical guys adapter for the hose. And we just used a wheel brush and some car wash soap, and we just kind of washed all this stuff, get all the bullshit off it. We'll end up painting all these grill trim pieces black and throwing them up for sale. So we just put one quick coat of flat black on it. Looks like we could probably do a little bit of sanding and stuff, but I mean, these things getting clipped into a bumper, they're really not, you're not gonna see any of that shit. You know, a couple small little runs, but they're basically ready for like gloss black paint or whatever you want. So we're just gonna let them dry out here for a little bit. The baby's still helping out, right, babies? Right, Holly, baby? And then we're just letting this stuff dry real good. We're gonna put it back together as one piece, and then we're just gonna put it away. Well, send it up for sale and call it a day. Life of getting parts and selling them, man. We'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys. Well, I think that's gonna be it for today. We got all the parts listed and cleaned up and painted and everything that we wanted to get done. So we're just gonna wait for somebody who wants them, I guess. Now, next, I think we're gonna be wall mounting this TV, and I think that's gonna be about it. Testing out some new products from Chemical Guys, which if you go down in the description below, there will be a link that we use from our affiliation with them, and if you click that link, it helps the channel, especially if you guys buy something through their website, which a lot of the products they do sell are a lot cheaper. than they are at Walmart or Amazon. So if you go to their website, their prices are probably a little bit better than MSRP. So go check that link out, please. Like I said, it does help us out in what we do, and all the money that comes from that will go straight back into the channel. So let's see what else we got. I think that's about it. So I guess we'll see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and subscribe so you can catch the next one.